Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I passed a $25,000 account in just 10 hours. And if you guys are struggling to pass your own funded challenges, make sure to watch this video to the end because this could massively help you. Right guys, so going straight into it, here we have our chart here on GBP USD for our first trade. So this trade profited us about $700. I think I was risking probably in between 1 to 2%. But basically, how this trade went was that I saw that, okay, we had a nice sell-off here. Clearly, we were bearish until this point where we found support. But what I was looking at was that, okay, we came up, we traced into this range where we had a nice sell-off. And then I saw that we rejected nicely. We broke low, let's go on the 5-minute. And we also shifted structure here, okay? So shifted structure here. So what I waited for was a retest up into this zone. We did minor liquidate this high, which is fine. So we liquidated this high. Yeah, we closed a bit higher as well. And basically, I waited for this candle to be broken. Then I entered with an SL just above, just to account for any liquidity grabs, etc. Then I took TP at this support zone here. Okay, so I took TP at this support zone here. Yeah, I could have held it, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. You know what I mean? He was good at exit because obviously we did retrace up and we did have news, but then it sold off. But, you know, it is what it is. I could have held that, but, you know, I'm happy with the trade. Yeah, so it profited us about 3%, so I'm happy with that trade. This was the first trade on the account, so obviously this was used for leverage for other profits. Okay, so going on to the next trade, we had a GBP USD sell. I think it was here as a little scalp. I was trading a little bit like, I exited that position. I wanted to use this profits for a little scalp, but I think I entered. So I entered here with an SL like here, and I actually exited round about here early because I saw the depletion off this low, and obviously that worked out in my favor because this would have stopped me out. But still, we profited about $160, so it was a bit of a break-even trade, okay? And now we go on to our Euro USD sells. We sold here. Okay, so this position was taken early due to the support found, and basically what I was looking at was our market structure shift here after finding resistance up at these highs. And then we broke and retested these lows, and then formed a lower high here with that low being used as resistance. Okay, then I waited for the low time for a breaker structure. I entered. Let's put it here. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Okay, so I entered. I don't think I entered. I entered here. Okay, and then obviously price sold off. And I was like, look, I'm up about $600. I'll take that there. Because sometimes with these moves, as soon as they go down, as soon as they come up. So we did have news as well coming up, I'm pretty sure. So I wanted to be careful and just take them profits and use them as leverage because I was very close to passing the account. At that point, I was about 1.5% away from passing the account. So guys, on this next trade, we bought on GBP USD. So simply put, obviously, understand this risk reward was very small, but this was just to pass the account and finish the account phase. But basically, we found support here. We broke up and retested after shifting this market structure. Basically, I bought the retest of this and then SL below structure. And obviously, this hit very quickly. 25 minutes it hit, and that passed us the account there. We only had to make $378, so that's a little bit over 1%. So I was risking about 2% for a 1-to-1, and that passed us the account. But please understand that this account was traded a bit more risk on, and this was to pass the account. Okay, we're trading to pass the account. This isn't like a funded account. You know, I would have held positions longer, lower risk, etc. This was passed in 10 hours. So it shows what you can do with these accounts and how quickly you can pass them. Now I just got to wait for the minimum trading days until I get on to phase 2. Obviously over the weekend now I've got Saturday and Sunday to wait, and then Monday I will be able to get my phase 2 credentials and hopefully we'll pass this account. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some insight into how I trade these funded challenges. Please don't waste your time on these challenges, and if you guys are learning to trade yourself, make sure to join my free Discord community below. I offer free weekly analysis and we have lots of chats in chat, and you can feel free to ask me anything that you need help on. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.